welcome back to Garage Shenanigans. Today is I say today, but really this is a different day than when I was doing the video and I forgot to do the intro. Nonetheless, 6 months later, but fucking this video is about painting the Echo. I still have a spray can. This thing cost me like $1 each. This is like the cheapest paint job I've ever done. It cost me like $13, but in this video we're gonna not so much instruct, but you're just gonna watch me do it. My videos are garbage, doesn't matter. We went through the sanding process, we taped up the windows, and then we are going to go through and cheaply paint this real quick, all in the span of 2 days. One day doing the prep, one day doing the painting, and it ended up, I think, pretty good for a $13 paint job. I can't really complain. So sit back, enjoy the fucking video.
the word, say the word. Say the word, come on. Say the word and we can run around the earth and around the sun. Say the word and we can stay. Forget about that better place. And I know you're healing, 'cause I know the feeling. The streets stop breathing. I don't wanna let you. Say the word, say the word. Say the word. Seeing all the reasons we should forget about this place, but I don't wanna leave here if you're just gonna stay. Changing like the seasons, been wasting all this time. Should be like satellites cast beyond the sky.
We're done spray painting. Courtney is tired of it. My finger hurts. We've been at it for 2 hours. It's even. We have 5 cans left out of the 18, so $13 essentially bought this paint job. Tell me, is that right? 2-4?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. Probably was like 13. How can we use that much?
13 in tax. This is like a $15 paint job, which I think for $15, not that bad. This is like the cheapest paint you can get anywhere, and I got it at Home Depot. It's just called like Quick Color. So the next step, put the headlights on, tail lights on, remove the plastic, and we'll see what it looks like from there. Car's back together, headlights are on, tag's on, front tag, all the tape is off, these little corner things are back on, the bumper is cable tied together, this cable is now attached, taillights are on. I like the way the taillights look against the black. I put the tow hook back in the front just because. The next video we're going to be painting things blue because we're going to make this black and blue. I think the paint,
Purple.
yeah, whatever.
Because of the Nightmare Before Christmas?
Yeah.
I don't know.
The paint turned out decently well. There were some spots like here that the tape just kind of messed up on. But we have a really jank solution to a really jank paint job. And let's just fix this right here. Sharpie right over. You know, it's blacker. Can't even notice. Perfect. You can totally notice. This Sharpie's terrible.
I told you, it's kind of running out.
We'll figure something out. We'll
probably have at least
we'll
one
buy
in the house.
some
We were buying
oil
more
paint.
Sharpie for this.
and a paintbrush, and we'll just dab it on there. Okay. Like, comment, subscribe. Tell us what you think about this $13 paint job that we did. I think it turned out pretty good.
It's pretty good besides fucking Georgia pollen, man.
Oh yes. You now have a black car. Guess what? Pollen. All the time. It's never going to be clean.
It's gonna kill me.
Yep. But it's okay.
It is okay, because it's mine. My hand is partially black.
Yep.
I was holding a little panel. Oh, there's my hand.
Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. There will be more Echo videos, of course.